My name is Jerry McSparron and I'm with JMac Engine Shop. This is an engine completion video on FP53554UE is the engine number. It was originally out of an MG Midget, probably a 78, maybe a 79, and it has been completely rebuilt. It has been to a machine shop, and we had it bored to 20 thousandths over, and had the rods and the mains on the crankshaft ground. Both are 10 thousandths over, and so it is really in very good shape. And they got a little bit of snowflakes there coming in here. It's a little cold outside, but I have so it's been completely rebuilt. I rebuilt it as a performance engine. The block was not altered in any way, but it does have flat top pistons in it. It has the head has been shaved down to 2.99 inches, which is should make it about 9.5 or 9.6 to 1 compression. And of course it had a valve job. The valves were ground and cleaned. It has new valve guides and new double spring pistons, double spring springs on the valves. The rocker shaft has been replaced, and it's been completely gone through and cleaned and made sure that it's all within spec. All the oil clearances are within spec on the by the book. The thrust washers are at 4 thousandths. That's kind of eliminates the issue with the thrust washers coming out. We make them just a little bit tighter. And then the center main gallery, I drilled it out to 5/16 so that it supplies a little bit of better oil supply to the number 2 and number 3 rod bearings. And it has a double chain. Let me think, what else might have to be on it? I think that's it. It has a new oil pump, and it's really just it's a new engine, with the exception that it's been reworked, and so it runs great. I'm going to start it up here and I'll run it, but I can't talk much while it's running because of the sound of the engine. I don't have a muffler on it, and talking over that doesn't work too well with this video. So anyway, this is a new engine, and we'll crank it up and see how it runs. Okay, so there you have it, the engine completion video, and all I have to do is I'll probably adjust the valves, and the head has been retorqued, and after it got warm the first time, and so it's I believe it is ready to go. So if anybody is interested in it, if you can give me a call, I'll be glad to give you some pricing on it, and we'll go from there. So thank you for listening.